might be wondering, why did I hike all the way to the top of this mountain at sunrise today? Well, because I wanted to let you know that the 2026 hiking tours are out, and I wanted to do it with style. So, about the tours. If you know me for a while, you already know that last year I did my first hiking tour in the Dolomites. And let me tell you, it was amazing. I had the chance to share my passion and love for Dolomites, which are the mountains I know the most, with an amazing group of people. And together with the guide I'm partnering with, we try to deliver the best experience possible. And the feedback was so amazing that I decided that this year I'm gonna do 3. They're gonna be all in September, 7 days each, and each of them is very different from each other. So in this video I want to briefly introduce each of them so that you know which one fits you the most. So the first one is My Dolomites. My Dolomites is the tour that I did last year, and I think it's a perfect combination of main areas of Dolomites as well as great hikes and not so popular trails. The problem with hotspots in Dolomites is a lot of people, so I wanted to find a balance between great scenic places and not so popular hikes. So this is what I came up with, so you will experience the famous Dolomite that you've seen on postcards, but by hiking. The base camp of the tour is Cortina d'Ampezzo, which is now very well known after the Olympics. So from there we will go on day hikes as well as a 2-day tour with a night in a mountain hut. Each of these tours have 1 night in a mountain hut because I wanted to make you experience the hospitality of Italian mountain huts, which I think it's pretty amazing if you never tried it. So each of these tours have a night in a mountain hut. Another thing I want you to experience is sunrise and sunset in the mountains. So not only during the night in the mountain hut, but also we will do sunsets and sunrise hikes. So you will not just experience the mountains with daylight, but also with a different light. So My Dolomites is a great tour with great hikes, but for some people it might be a little bit too much. So what I decided to create is a different tour called My Dolomites Soft. You don't have to think as My Dolomites Soft as My Dolomites but less. It's completely different. My Dolomites Soft is a different tour with different hikes. Every hike is completely different in different places, and I designed this tour to offer hikes that are spectacular, like the ones in My Dolomites, but a bit less tiring. Usually what makes a hike tiring is uphill, so I chose hikes that are mostly flat, a lot of downhills. There will be some uphills, but less than My Dolomites. So this is the perfect tour if you want to take it more chill, or maybe you are a little bit older, or you don't have too much time to train, or it's one of your first experiences in the mountains. This is the perfect tour for you. Again, we'll be staying in Cortina d'Ampezzo, 1 night in a mountain hut, and I'm very excited for it because it's in front of my favorite mountain in Dolomites, Monte Pelmo, so you will love it. So yeah, My Dolomites Soft is gonna be a great tour. And last but not least, Secret Dolomites. You heard it right, secret, because this tour is secret. I'm not gonna share the exact schedule of the tour until the tour will start. You might be asking, why? If you know my videos, you know that there are so many places in Dolomites that are not so well known, and I want to keep it very exclusive for those who join, and at the same time I don't want to reveal all these places to the public. So we will be staying in a small town far from Cortina, and from there we will go on day hikes as well as a 2-day tour with a night in a mountain hut. So if you trust my love for unexplored and wild places, you will definitely love this tour, and yeah, you have to trust me. I think it's a great opportunity for those who already been to Dolomites but want to discover something new, or those who want to just choose something a little bit different, and I'm sure you will be rewarded. So yeah, if you want to know more about all the tours I talked in this video, you will find all the information on hikewithbruno.com, where you will also find the difficulty level of all these tours, even the secret one, so that you know what to expect. And now it's time to put my helmet, my harness, and fly down. Because yes, I wanted to reveal the tours with style, but I also wanted to fly. Yoo-hoo! Ole! Yoo-hoo! Ale! Mission completed. See you in the next adventure.